New Halsey single just dropped. It's called I'm Not Mad, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the first part I want to show you is the lead line that's playing throughout the song. It starts on the 9th fret of the G string, then 9th fret D string, 10th fret D string, then you do that whole thing again, then 12th fret G string, 10th fret G string, then you do that first part again, then 9th fret G string, 12th fret D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chords. This entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an F major chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 10th fret. Next is an F major with an E bass. So you're going to continue to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 10th fret. And you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret. Next is a D minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And then last is an E minor chord. So you're just going to take the D minor chord and move it up 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for I'm Not Mad. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.